Ladies and gentlemen, I just buy a 2006 Nissan Xterra. I'm about to increase or, or lift the suspension and put bigger shocks, tires and everything. I put off-road bumpers with winch and everything. I'm building this vehicle because I'm planning to ship it back home to Haiti, where there's off-road situation can really get used, so the tires and suspension can really get abused. Back home in Haiti, where most of the road there are off-roads, most of them. So this vehicle going to get exposed to off-road, and I'm going to make those videos for step by step, and even in Haiti, I'm gonna make those videos for you to show you all this, the capability of this vehicle I'm building now. I just received the off-country suspension lift kit, and order online from Parts Geeks or Geeks Parts Geeks online. They're really fast. They already send me shocks that I need, and so everything is already there. Let me show them to you. You can see over here. This is my shocks. All right, this is shocks. This is a off-country kit. I received them, so I'm about to install them, and this is Parts Geeks that send those shocks to me, and I'm about to build that vehicle the way I like it, the way I feel like it will be, really efficient. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm located at Jamalaye Auto Shop. I'm about to build my off-road vehicle. Listen, if you ever have a job like this, come to Jamalaye Auto Shop. They will take care of you. We have Mamadou over here and Libas over here. They're about to lift my suspension and about to put those tires over there, the off-road tires, the 32. And listen, the job is just started, and the job is not yet to see. You're gonna see great things going on in here. Stay tuned. Ladies and gentlemen, in this job, we're about to change the brakes and hotels, and then put new shocks and the lift spring all installed in this 2006 Nissan Xterra. And I'll let you know how the job's going to happen, and step by step. And this video is less talking, more action. If you follow procedure properly, and you'll be able to do this job yourself. This job is being handled by professional, licensed people that are in the field for more than 20 years. And listen, you can't go wrong with that job. Jamalaye Auto Shop. I have to take this power, dude. That's the best part about installing the lift kit. Ladies and gentlemen, that's the finished product right there. New brakes, water, and the new swivel link installed, the choke springs with the 3-inch suspension from off country, and this is the other side. That's the finished product. I have another one. only a Jamalaye. We'll get this job done the way it's supposed to. Now we're spraying.
Change the color.
Yeah, that's black. And it's anti-wash. And this is Levi's doing that job over here. When you bring your car to Jamalaye to shop, that's the kind of job you get. Ladies and gentlemen, this is my off-road tire. Just installed my 16-inch, and they're about to put it in. Off-road tires, and this vehicle is going to ship to Haiti, where those tires can be used. You know, can be useful. Ladies and gentlemen, finished product. I will, man. Ladies and gentlemen, this is an off-road tire. This is a 32 tire. We could have taken 33 after the leaf, but I just need a, you know, a little aggressive, not too aggressive. And this is a 32 off-road tire installed after the leaf. Right there, and is about to put it in. Shit. Ladies and gents, 4 wheels are down. 4 wheels are down. 4 wheels are down. 4 wheels down. This is it. Quem é chofer? Quem é chofer? Suspension leaf. Eh? Wow. That's it. Look at this joint right here. Ooh. Ooh. Look at this. This is lit.
Got the tires though. We got the tires. (2006) Nissan Xterra Offroad. Six-speed manual transmission. This joint right here is a monster. It's a monster. Now let me show you the old tires. You see the old tires? You know what I mean? The small joints. Now look at the big joints right here. Nice.
Sound system upgrade.
Alucinando será el sol, el océano por dentro.